Today we're going to be logging into or registering for our online textbook. To do so, you will simply watch this video first for instruction, and then click on the Practice It online textbook registration link and instructions. This will be inside of your Thursday folder. Okay, here's the sheet that you will need, but first of all, I want to point out this information. This is the instructions that you can pull up and print so that you can have them in front of you. Simply click on that and print this page, or you can take a look right here. Okay, click on this link right here after you've read this information. Okay, there's a redemption code that you may have to use, but more importantly, there is an 8-digit registration code that the online textbook is asking for. So you can simply copy Control-C on your keyboard after you highlight it, click this link, and it will take you to the login page of McGraw-Hill. Mine looks a little bit different than yours. Mine has my email and my password already populated, but you will click right here under Create Student Account. Okay, the class code is pasted right here. You can paste by clicking in here and doing Control-V, or you can simply do the old-fashioned paste right here. Okay, then you will put your first name and your last name. Use the first and last name that College Station ISD has on file for you. Do not use a nickname or a different last name, because the system will not recognize you. Your information is actually already populated into the online textbook, but this is just your verification that you can register and log in for it. You will use your username will be your 1000 number at csisd.org. I'm going to put it in an example in here at csisd.org. Then you will create a password. My suggestion to you is to use a password that you've already used before in one of the other accounts, or you are welcome to create a new password. Just make sure that you remember this password so that you can log in and easily access the online textbook. And then when you're finished with all of that, click Create Account.